Happy accident. Just dropped a blob of ink fell off the pen. Yeah, works fine. It actually fits in there. I could almost try to duplicate it here and here. Let's take a look. Nah, it won't happen when I'm trying to do it. It just happens when it wants to do it itself. Works on this allegorical sea monster here. One of the three largest ones is going to be, this one's going to be entirely in black and white. Lines, some solid sections. Alright, let's a few lines in for the camera. Nice singing, but she's very nice, very nice. That great musical accompaniment here. I'll actually turn the radio on in a couple of minutes. All right, to be continued.